This is a video installing the Dealertool to a Triumph Explorer. Here's the thing, I'm running Windows on a Mac and I'm using Parallel as a virtual machine software to host Windows. So here's the thing, first download the software, the Dealertool software, and the drivers. Don't let, in any case, Windows to install the driver for you. Just make sure you install the drivers provided by Dealertool. So once you let me fire the software over here. There you go. You acknowledge this message. Please make sure that you read that, it's very important. And then click Options. You'll see the COM port of your choice. In this case, it's number 3 for me, is highlighted. You make sure that that's connected, and also come over here and click ECU data. Stand by over here, go to the motorcycle, just make sure the killer switch is on and ignition on. Come back to the software, go ahead and click ECU data. And voila, this is the number you have to provide. Command C on a Mac to the key registration support desk of the Dealertool UK. So Command Tab, you just go ahead, and I had this number before, so let's make sure you just Command V as a Victor. There it is, and go ahead and fire that email. Once they reply to you, you're going to receive a number, this number, back to main page. I'm going to end the connection for a second. I'm going to turn this off, and you will come back to Options and enter over here the number provided by Dealertool. Once you have that on, I'm waiting for that registration number, and you click over here, enter the number, and it will show up as a line as a registered key. Of course, after that, you can start reading your ECU. So up to this point, if you have any questions with the installation of Windows on a Mac or something like that, please send me an email, and I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you, and I'll see you on the road.